Alright, so here it is all put together. Got the guard on it. Told y'all it's double string. And you can adjust the handle. Okay, here. See, on my other one, it's a Ryobi. And the handle's a little better than this one because on the Ryobi, you can adjust the screw and then tilt the handle forward or back to your comfort. So however you like to hold it. And I see a lot of people putting slings on these to put around their shoulder. Then all they really got to do is just swing it left and right. And some of them got the stomach brace. So when you moving around, they really ain't doing the holding. It's actually holding up itself because of your shoulders and stuff to go over you. But this is the Remington. All right. This is the Remington Rustler RM25S 2-cycle. And this is awesome. I can't wait to fire it up. I'm gonna tear some yards up with this one. Comment, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up.